Your Google business profile acts as your digital storefront, but your actual website is where the magic happens. So why let your top reputation data stay confined to Google Maps? Today, I'll guide you through setting up a live updating Google Review Widget with Shapo. It seamlessly pulls your 5-star ratings directly to your website, building instant trust, and it takes just under 2 minutes to set up. Let's dive in. Log into your Shapo dashboard, then simply click the Import button on the main testimonials screen. Select Google as your import source, type in your business name, and click Search, then select the correct business. Here, you can choose which reviews you'd like to display by selecting which ones to import, and then fetching those reviews. You'll see all the imported reviews here, and you can import up to 1,000 of the most recent ones. I'll select all, specifically the 51 latest reviews. You can also tag them for easy management later. For those with Shapo Pro, you can set up auto import for any new testimonials. While I won't activate it now, it's an option that ensures new reviews automatically sync and appear. Let's click Import Reviews. With all reviews imported, head to the Widget section, create a new widget, and choose your preferred style. You'll see them displayed here in the preview. Let's select these widgets that we've tagged with coffee. The imported reviews appear with several widget options. Options include a carousel, single testimonial, badge, flexible grid, customizable marquee, multi-carousel, list, and toast. You can also customize the widget's design, adjusting fonts, text colors, background colors, and more. Depending on the widget, you can tweak animation delay, speed, and other settings. Once you've finalized your widget choice, save it and click Add to your website. Copy the code snippet and place it on your website where you'd like the widget displayed. That's it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.